Question 6. There were 20 apples on an apple tree. The farmer picked the ripest. This left 16 on the tree. How many did the farmer pick? This question is about a whole, which is the number of apples on a tree, before one part was picked. The picked apples are one part, and the other part are the apples that are left remaining on the tree. I will put my whole here, the part that are picked here, and the part that are left remaining here. There were 20 apples on an apple tree. So my whole is 20. The farmer picked the ripest. So far, I don't know how many he's picked. This left 16 on the tree. I know the part that remains is 16. I'm going to estimate how big this bar would be. If that's 20, 10 would be the middle, 15 would be about here, so 16 would be about here. This is the part that I know that are left on the tree, and I'm trying to find the part that is unknown, which were the apples that were picked. I know the whole and I know the part that remained on the tree, but I don't know the part that was picked. So the plan I'm going to do is the whole of 20, subtract the part I know of 16, will give me the part I don't know, which are the apples that the farmer picked from the tree. 20 subtract 16 equals 4. The farmer picked 4 apples. To check my maths, I'm going to put the 4 into the diagram and check with a different plan. A part of 4, add a part of 16 equals the whole of 20. So I know my maths is correct. I could double check by looking at the ones. I have got 4 ones and 6 ones, which makes 10 ones, which ends in a 0. The last thing I need to check is my question that I've answered it. How many did the farmer pick? This is my part that was picked, so 4 apples were picked.